In this video, we will discuss how MongoDB uses BSON. BSON is used in MongoDB as data storage and network transfer format for documents. BSON is basically a binary form that represents simple data structures and its associative arrays that are called objects or documents in MongoDB. As compared to JSON, BSON is designed to be efficient both in storage and scan speed. Large elements in a BSON document are prefixed with a length field to facilitate scanning. In some cases, BSON will use more space than JSON due to the length prefixes and explicit array indexes. Because of the length prefixes, the encoding of the data object must be done in two passes. Once to output the data, and a second time to set the length prefixes. BSON documents consist of an ordered list of elements. Each element consists of a field name, a type, and a value. Fields name are strings, and the types include string, integer, double, date, byte, array, boolean, null, JS code, etc. BSON types are nominally a superset of JSON types. JSON does not have a date or a byte array type, with one exception of not having a universal number type as JSON does. So this was how MongoDB uses BSON.